Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my own passion twist for the first time. I'm using this hair that I got from a beauty supply store and a rat tail comb and some edge control that I got from a beauty supply store and a hair clip to hold my hair out the way. So the first thing that I did was part my hair side to side, like ear to ear, and I put some edge control on the part so that it'll be a straight even part, but you don't have to do this, it's optional. I just did it because I wanted a straight part. I kind of did it like box braids, so now I'm gonna like section my hair and I'm gonna like part it and then use the edge control to smoothen it out and reparting my hair. Now I'm using this hair clip to clip the other hair out the way, and I'm gonna take some more edge control to like smooth out like the roots of my hair or something like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna massage it in and then comb it out like evenly. So now I'm gonna braid my hair, and I'm only braiding it like halfway, like an inch. So now I'm gonna use this hair that I got from the beauty supply store, and I think I got the wrong hair because it was already pre-twisted, so I had to untwist the hair. So now I got 2 strands of the hair, and I'm gonna take my crochet needle and I'm gonna stick it under my braid, and I'm gonna do it like real gently because it kind of hurts. So then I'm gonna take the passion twist here and I'm gonna put it on the hook and pull it through. I'll take the loop and grab my roll here and the passion twist here, and I'm gonna pull it through the loop all together at the same time. So after I pull all the hair through the loop, I'm gonna pull only the passion twist here, and I'm gonna pull it to make sure it's tight. And I'm gonna start twisting the passion twist here with my roll hair. As I'm twisting, I'm adding a little edge control here, and the passion twist here is in place. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna do this throughout the whole video. So this is not a tutorial, it's just a watch me do passion twist for the first time. I was looking up how to do passion twist for the first time, and I was looking for the no rubber band method, and I saw this video and she was like using a crochet needle and she braided her hair, so I thought I could do that because I had a crochet needle and I just wanted to do the no rubber band method. I thought that it would be easy, so that's why I decided to do this method. But let me know, like, if you did passion twist before, let me know which method is the best. Let me know if I'm doing it right or wrong, or let me know if I'm doing something wrong, because this is my first time, and like if I'm doing it wrong this time, maybe next time I will do it better. So let me know. So I didn't know which color to get when I was in the store. I saw this red burgundy ombre color, and then I saw this color, but I didn't know which one to get. So even though I wanted to try something different, I wanted to get the red one, but I ended up getting the blonde one. I'm tired of wearing blonde because I don't know, I wear it all the time, and I wanted to get the red one, but I didn't know how it would look on me, so I just got the blonde one for now, and just because it was my first time, so I just got this color instead. But next time I do it, I'm gonna get the red one, but it's cute or whatever. Also, sorry for the lighting. My ring light is like real subtle and it's not as bright as it should be. Tried to make it as bright as I could so you guys can see it. Usually I will have somebody do my hair. I don't like people doing my hair. Like, I will only do my own hair because I'm a little tender-headed, and it's just like sometimes people could be rough with your hair, so I decided to do it myself. And I don't know how long I'm gonna leave these in for. I might leave them in for a month and then take them out, but I don't know. We'll see how long they last. Don't forget to follow me on my social media because I will be posting some cute pictures. You know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. After I finish my entire head, I add some hair oil to like my scalp. I use the wild growth oil. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. So So this is a little close up after I finished, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did again. I part my hair and I used the edge control and I put it on the part and reparted my hair. And yeah, try to get a straight part even though it doesn't matter. And then once again I'm gonna section my hair and add the edge control again and part it. And this time edge control and braided it like the roll that I was doing. I braided it, and then I took the hair, the passion twist hair, and crochet it under the braid and did it like that instead of doing it one by one, because it was like taking forever at that time. So I just did it this way and it was much easier. I was standing up doing this video because I didn't feel like sitting down and I was tired. So I hope this close up is a little better for you guys and you can see better. Made it this far to the end of the video. Comment down below and let me know what's your favorite protective style, and if this video gets to 10 likes or more, I will do more like tutorials or hair videos or whatever. So that's it for this video. Here's the finished look. I do like it, and it looks nice. I just wish that I would have got a different color instead of blonde, but it looks pretty good. I was also tired. Like I started like at 2:30 something and I got done at 10:40 something, so I was really tired. So sorry for my facial expression, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.